If you want to keep an eye on your deliveries and potential nosy neighbors, then chances are you may have looked into investing into a video doorbell. There are many brands out there that promise excellent service, and some even allow you to answer the door when you aren't at home. The Ring Video Doorbell, 2nd Gen, by Amazon is one that many shoppers rave about, garnering an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 on the website, with over 67,000 reviews from customers. The Ring doorbell goes head-to-head with rivals such as the MubView Doorbell Camera Wireless with Chime, £49.99, and the Camp Video Doorbell Wireless Camera Doorbells, £69.99. The Ring doorbell is currently on sale on the Amazon website right now, down from £99.99 to £59.99, a total saving of £40. You can also bundle this doorbell with the Ring outdoor camera, normally £189.98, and purchase it for just £104.99, a saving of £84.99 in total for the two devices. This doorbell has been hailed by shoppers online, as some claim this beats competitors by a landslide, as they praise its easy setup. One happy customer wrote in their review, "I recently purchased the Ring doorbell alarm and I'm very pleased with the quality of the product, easy to use and easy to install. You don't have to go answer the door to see who's there, just connect to your smartphone or other device and you can see and hear who's at your door. You can speak to them, ask them to leave a message. This product has pre-recorded messages. Also, if you're not at home, you can also take a message or even speak to the person." Another added, "Since I have installed the Ring doorbell app, I don't know how I lived without it. It was so easy to set up, I thought it would be complicated, but wasn't at all." And a third wrote, "As I am hearing impaired, I rarely heard the doorbell." Even more problematic is the very strange fact that, for some reason, people often ignore doorbells and just knock on the door itself. When I installed this doorbell, it connected wirelessly with my Alexa viewer and mobile phone, so I could be warned of any movement at my front door and I could see who it was. I also bought loud chimes which connect wirelessly with the doorbell, so I can plug one in every room. Tech deal of the week: with the weather now getting colder, you may have already noticed condensation starting to form more frequently on your windows. This happens when the warmer inside air hits the cold glass and creates droplets of moisture that cling on, but if it's not removed frequently, it can lead to damp and mold. Dealing with the problem can be made a lot easier with certain household tools, and a Kärcher window vac that's said to keep mold away at a low cost is currently on sale on the Amazon website. The Kärcher WV1 window vac is normally priced at £42.99, but shoppers can snap it up with a 15% discount as it only costs £36.74 at the moment. The tool is said to provide streak-free cleaning and can be used on windows, walls and shower screens to clear away water and condensation, preventing mold from forming. Its versatile and ergonomic design means it's lightweight enough to be used on all smooth surfaces, and it's said to be up to 3 times faster at removing water than conventional methods like wiping. You can buy the Kärcher window vac on Amazon here. One shopper wasn't as enamored with the doorbell, as they noted that the video isn't as great as they expected. The customer wrote, "Configuration is easy and can be tweaked afterwards. Integration with Alexa is also easy and provides additional alerts, camera view, Daytime images very good but nighttime could be better. The chime proved awkward to add until I realized you had to identify the exact version. However, they added, I believe this system is an essential security tool. You can claim this doorbell deal on the Amazon website now. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily